All right, let me walk you through my new little obsession, the Dakota Prairie Luxe Trio. It's a 3-step routine built around grass-fed beef tallow and a few other Luxe ingredients. And honestly, it's made my skin such a perfect canvas that I'm wearing way less makeup. Like, seriously, about half of what I usually use. Okay, step 1, the cleanser, which is 4 ounces. It melts on contact thanks to that grass-fed beef tallow. And the Manuka honey gives it this really silky feel. I massage, rinse, and then pat dry with this, and my skin feels cushioned, not stripped. Okay, step number 2 is this 2-ounce scrub here. This one's sugar-based with virgin rosehip oil. Tiny grains, but zero roughness. I do quick circles, let it melt down, and boom, instant glow without the tight feeling. All right, and then step 3 is this 2-ounce salve. A little dab of the sandalwood infused salve locks everything in. It's the richest texture, but it absorbs instead of just sitting greasy on your face. Makeup literally glides on top. My foundation doesn't cling to dry spots and it stays all day. So there's no lunchtime touch-ups here. Beyond the results, this whole routine just feels spa level. Everything's poured in small batches by a native-owned brand with ancestral Dakota wisdom. No whipping, no fillers, just pure prairie ingredients. The tallow is grass finished, the honey is organic, and you can actually smell that faint sandalwood note as you work it into your skin. If your skin is begging for long-lasting hydration, or you just want that I just went to the spa kind of vibe every morning, this set delivers. Stock is limited though, so if you're curious, I would grab one sooner than later. Trust me, once you try this trio, you'll wonder how your routine ever felt luxury without it.